Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we're just going to make some home fries and enjoy them. You can use these for breakfast or you can use them for dinner, so it makes a great little side. So what you're going to need here to do these is about 2 pounds. I got a little over 2 pounds of potatoes. You're going to leave the skin on, but you're going to just chop these up. You're going to need a teaspoon of seasoning salt, a teaspoon of black pepper, and a teaspoon of paprika, and a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. And you'll also need the 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, which you see I already got set up here. So alright guys, well, we're gonna do this and enjoy. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright guys, what we're going to do a quick job here of just chopping these up. Yeah, we'll just leave the thing on here, and just like that too. There. And just kind of like that, and we'll in half. Don't have to be perfect, but kind of want them about the same size, as you can see, just like that. And we'll put those in the bowl here. And so I'm going to go ahead and finish cutting the rest of these potatoes up. Okay guys, now the next step we're going to do is, we got these cut up, is we're going to put them in the boiling water for 6 to 8 minutes. This will help soften them up, cook them up a little bit. So we'll just dump that in here and just let them boil for 6 to 8 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and set my timer here. I'll set it for 8. So I'll make it a little bit easier to cook on the grill or the frying pan when we get to that step. So alright, now let's go on to getting the seasonings and stuff ready while we wait for the potatoes to cook here. Okay guys, what we're gonna do here while we're waiting for the potatoes to boil, we're gonna just put in our teaspoon of seasoning salt, our teaspoon of black pepper, our teaspoon of paprika, and our half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and we're just gonna give that a good mix in the bowl. Alright, so there we go. Now all we got to do is wait for the as you can see, we got a good mix there. So we'll just wait for our potatoes to finish boiling, And I'll see you in a few minutes here, and we'll get on with the cooking process, of the main cooking process. Alright, so I'll see you guys in a few minutes here. Okay guys, we got the potatoes, they're drained. So now what we're going to do is we're just gonna add oil to our frying pan here. It'd be better if we used the cast iron frying pan, but believe it or not, that's one thing I don't have, so maybe I'll get myself one here. But we're gonna put it in this electric frying pan and I'll coat it over there. But this will do just as good. So alright, now what we're gonna do, I'll use my other one here. Alright, so we'll put our potatoes in. I'm going to spread out here. This will look good. Alright, so guys, what we're going to do here with these is we're just going to let them sit for a few minutes, about 5 minutes or so, and then we'll start from that point. So I'll see you guys in about 5 minutes. Okay guys, these have sat here for 5 minutes. We're gonna give them a stir. Up here. Give them a good stir, and then we'll So what we'll do here is add about half the seasoning here. Alright. Get it all stirred in there to get the potatoes coated. Alright. Now what you're going to want to do with this now is cook for another 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. Let them crisp up. You can just not over stir, but stirring occasionally, just every once in a while. Alright, so I'll see you in about 10-15 minutes on this. Okay guys, just a few more minutes of cooking to do, so we're going to add the rest of the seasoning. Put that over there. And just get that good and stirred in there. These look so nice, golden brown. So they should be nice and crispy. So alright, so I just got a little bit more to go and a few more minutes here, but these just look so good. Alright, so we'll just let these sit for just a little bit longer. Now we got that in there. Alright, so a few more minutes here, and we'll be good to go. So just one more few more minutes here. Alright guys, we're going to get this, turn the heat off here. Alright, we'll just turn the heat off. Give it one good stir here. Boy, these look so nice. Look at that. Alright, well, we're going to let these cool just a little bit. Then we will serve them up in the bowl here and give them a try. Okay guys, I've let them sit for a minute or two here. We'll go ahead and put them in the bowl here. Oop, there we go. Oh. Okay, so now you can put ketchup on these if you want, but these will taste good enough without having to put anything on it. Maybe a little egg. You can put egg in them, that'd be good, but alright, so let's give this a try here. These are so good, guys. Good flavor. Nice crisp on the outside, nice and tender on the inside. Okay guys, these are your recipe for homemade home fries, and real easy to make. It takes a little time in cooking, but it's well worth it. You can have these for breakfast, or you can have them for your dinner. Top them any way you want, ketchup, or you put your egg in it, or you put in some, maybe even steak sauce or barbecue sauce if you like that type of stuff. Alright guys, well, I hope you enjoyed this. Try this recipe and enjoy it. If you do, leave a comment below. And also, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel to catch other cooking videos like this. I try to get one out on Saturdays. And I also do taste test videos and some sightseeing and adventure videos as well. So, well guys, I'm going to head on out of here. I want you guys to enjoy the day the Lord has given you, and I'll see you on the next video.